In a world changing faster than ever, 11 schools came together with one belief: that every child deserves more than marks on a report card. They deserve a mindset that can build their future. We began by aligning teachers and stakeholders, a strong foundation for a strong start. Maker Kids brought instant excitement, making learning hands-on and engaging. Bite-sized video lessons kept weekly sessions consistent and clear. Assignments helped students practice, reflect, and grow. Project Kids turned ideas into real, tangible creations. Regular check-ins kept the momentum high and the classroom supported. Industry experts connected learning to the real world. Educate to Connect built a supportive community for teachers. Market days gave students real customer feedback and confidence. The year ended with an industry challenge and a capstone project. And it all culminated in the junior pitch tank, where students pitched bold ideas on a big stage. We also celebrated the teachers, the pillars who made this possible. Surveys and assessments showed clear growth in confidence, creativity, collaboration, and mindset. And here's what everyone involved had to say.
We started in 2024 with a very small number of students, 124 students for just 2 schools. And now we've expanded to 11 schools where there are 1,287 students. So something that I'm very proud to be a part of, as this is something that is missing in most schools' curriculum. And entrepreneurship, I believe, is essentially what's very crucial for a student's life.
I could sense the passion of the leadership from Kidspreneurship. I could sense that they had created something from scratch. They owned it, they had a vision, and it really aligned with what we were looking for. I've seen the impact on students and what amazing things they can do before they get stuck in their ways. And I love that about the program.
I feel that this program, it's a visionary project and it prepares students for success in an ever-changing world.
Children themselves are more creative than us. We give them a hint, we give them an information as to how to go about with things, and they are the one that surprise us every time with their creativity.
And we have seen that really they have grown up and they try to be independent.
It has been a wonderful experience seeing these young, bright minds delivering their ideas. This is something which is very new.
I think we should encourage our children. So the school should hold like this type of programs. One of the things is that
not only here, in every school they have to.
I don't think this would have happened if the students didn't encourage each other.
That Kidspreneurship has brought a lots of changes, and I'm very grateful. I think we are all very grateful because it has given them the platform. Because not only to the one who are good, but then we get to see the one who are, even though they are weak in studies, but then they are good in other field of their studies, another field in their intelligence, and that is what we encourage the students to do. Like being the teachers of Kidspreneurship, we have also learned from it.
They've grown, and usually the ones who are very shy, I'm quite surprised to see them speaking up today.
My team, working with my team is the best part of making the project.
One thing I learned that we can use in real life is confidence.
And we get new ideas, new innovative ideas also, and how to guide the students also.
My favorite part about the program are the challenges, because through it we can see the students' creativity.
I think this is a start to a new journey. You know?
I would describe this program to my friend that it is an amazing program.
Enjoy the opportunities that come their way, as we know that we did not have the same. So I would love for them to make use of whatever opportunities, of whatever chances they get to show their talents.
They showed us and gave us hope that they have potential.
I would describe this program to be an amazing program and one of my best programs in my life, because how we come together in a team and teamwork.
Honestly, it was challenging.
New.
Definitely. New, challenging, yes.
I'm also learning with them.
But yeah, we grow, we learn.
And all the members who have given the school the opportunity to do all this, I think it's very good. It's just the next level, like, you know, apart from academics.
This is just like a path to help them to learn that there are many opportunities and many ways that they can sustain themselves in the future.
They never skip classes when they have these kind of things. So it encourages them to come to school, to do things by themselves. So I think these kind of fairs should be, they should organize it most oftenly.
Kidspreneurship is something that is new and unique, and I don't think anybody has done something like this before.
It took off, and the program is going great, even better than I expected. The schools want it, the teachers want it, the kids want it, our company wants it, and the society here wants it, and the government wants this type of teaching in the school. So it fits